Hey y'all, what's up? This is a sleek side ponytail that I wore to my command Christmas party, and I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. Believe it or not, this is a frontal. So right now what you're seeing is me prepping it. I'm just detangling it, getting ready to flat iron it. This is a straight 24-inch frontal. Now I'm just making sure that my part is straight and it's not. So I'm going to go in and correct that. This frontal was made and customized by me using snobbish tresses, frontal and bundles, excuse me. And I dyed it. It's different shades of purple. I was just testing the waters. So now that my part is straight, we're gonna continue on to flat ironing. And I'm not trying to get it bone straight, just trying to straighten out some of the waves since it was freshly washed this morning. And the flat iron that I'm using is the Snobbish Tresses Bedazzled Flat Iron Titanium Flat Irons that are available for purchase on our website. So we're still flat ironing. Look at that natural luster on those bundles. Oh my gosh. You can see the different shades of purple behind the frontal and the bundles. And now we're going to move along to the other side. I'm working my way around to the back. I can barely see it, but again, like I said, it doesn't need to be bone straight, and it's all gonna go into a ponytail, so I don't believe you're gonna be able to tell the difference at the end either way. So I'm done flat ironing. I just want to show you guys how long it is in the body. You see the top is not straight at all, but it's okay because it's all going into a ponytail. So I'm using the Got to Be spray to mold and shape it, and I'm gonna continue using it as much as I need it. I'm setting aside a piece of hair on the side. I'm gonna curl that and leave that part out just to fancy it up a little bit. So my part wasn't as deep as I wanted, so I'm just gonna move it over some. And I'm using a Goody brand scrunchie. I'm going to have to look at the package to see exactly which one. But I love these scrunchies because they stretch to no end. So to hide the scrunchie, I'm just going to take a piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it around. But guess what? I do not need a bobby pin. I'm going to take the Got To Be glue spray and I'm going to spray it on the hair and wrap it around. So yes, I removed the longer pieces of that side. I'm just going to wand curl the little piece there, spice it up a little bit, add some finishing touches. Now I'm going to go in and flat iron my ponytail a little bit more. And now I am finished. Ow.